The Huawei Matepad 11.5s Papermatte edition is a remarkable tablet that stands out in the crowded market with its unique paper-like display. Aimed at digital creators and those who prefer a more tactile drawing experience, this tablet is a fusion of innovative technology and user-centric design. Now let's see what this device can offer. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Let's start the unboxing. As you slide off the sleek packaging, you are greeted with a tablet itself along with a microfiber cloth with 22.5 watts charging brick and Type-A to Type-C cable. Underneath the main compartment, there's a section housing the detachable keyboard which transforms the tablet into a productive powerhouse. Moving on with its design and build, these devices are slim, sleek, and stylish. The Matepad 11.5s boasts a 6.2mm thin profile and weighs just 510 grams. Its aluminum unibody design and glass construction exudes a premium feel, while the anti-glare screen promises a comfortable viewing experience even under bright sunlight. It comes with 3 color options: space gray, silver frost, and violet, which is the one I have here. Now in terms of the display, the star of the show is undoubtedly the Papermatte display. It has 11.5-inch TFT LCD display with its light diffusing abilities. It not only reduces glare but also provides a paper-like texture that artists and note-takers will love. The 144Hz adaptive refresh rate and 2.8K resolution screen ensures that everything from drawing to watching videos and playing games is a smooth and immersive experience. The tablet's Papermatte display is not just a visual treat, but also a functional marvel. It provides a smudge-resistant and anti-reflective surface that's perfect for drawing and note-taking, thanks to its paper-like texture. This is further enhanced by Huawei's Neuralink technology, which ensures the M Pencil and detachable keyboard has one of the lowest latencies experienced on Android tablets, making for a very natural drawing experience. On the software front, the GoPaint app is Huawei's answer to Procreate, offering a suite of tools for digital artists that excludes to Huawei devices. The tablet runs on Harmony OS 4.2, which contributes to the smoothness of the user interface, even if it's not the most powerful chipset available. Now, moving on with the performance, the Huawei Matepad 11.5s Papermatte edition is a device that strikes a fine balance between form and function. Its performance is anchored by the Kirin 9000WL, a 5nm processor, which, while not the latest, still packs a punch for everyday tasks and creative endeavors. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, it also comes with 8800 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts in the box, ensuring that you can work or play for extended periods without reaching for the charger. The Huawei Matepad 11.5s Papermatte boasts impressive audio for a tablet, with 4 speakers that delivers a multi-driver array for a wider soundstage. With Huawei Hisense 9.0 that improves audio quality with computational adjustments. It offers crisp high, good depth for immersive content consumption. Now in terms of the camera department, the Huawei Matepad 11.5s Papermatte prioritizes productivity over photography. While it supports 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera, they are best suited for basic tasks like video calls and document scanning. If you are a casual user who needs the camera for occasional snapshot or video conference, the Matepad 11.5s Papermatte will suffice. But if you prioritize a great camera for capturing memories, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, here is my final verdict. The Huawei Matepad 11.5s Papermatte edition is a compelling option for those who prioritize a natural drawing experience and a glare-free display. It is a fantastic tablet for artists and note-takers. The paper-like display with reduced glare is a joy to use with the M Pencil, offering a natural writing experience. The high refresh rate display and powerful processor ensure a smooth performance even for multitasking. This device is priced at 1,799 dirhams here in Dubai with a keyboard and M Pencil if you pre-order. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. See you next time and peace out.